How to find viruses on an iPhone. So yeah guys, let's start the video. So first thing guys, we're gonna open the settings, and after that you need to scroll a little bit down. You will find the general option. Now you need to tap on the iPhone storage and go down, especially whenever you will see this message like detect anything from your iPhone. So there is a problem. So first especially delete anything suspicious app and tap delete. After that go back, and now you need to scroll a little bit down. You will find have Safari on your iPhone, and it will give you the clear history and website data, this option. So you need to tap on the clear history and website data, and again tap on this, and after that it will remove the all cookies or anything in you have Safari. So it will be removed. After that your iPhone will be clean, but you need to tap on settings again, general. Here just delete the VPN devices and management. If you see any profile you didn't install or you didn't install of the MDM, tap it and remove all those profiles. If this section exists and has not something inside, high chances of creating malware like behavior. So this is how you can do it. So if this video was helpful for you guys, so please consider subscribe without being said guys. Peace.